Introducing the 2020 Honda Civic. This vehicle still has fewer than 45,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. You'll fall in love with the Civic sedan, the practical compact that delivers smooth, responsive, powerful performance, advanced safety technology, refined looks, and industry-leading efficiency. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, electronic stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Refined yet aggressive, efficient yet powerful. That's the Honda Civic sedan. All it needs is you.